She my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it. Bitch, I'm hood as fuck. I've been on these bitches' necks so long, sometimes I forget stuff. I can put you.
What's up? So love I'm here to rant about something I don't even know. Yes, exam has started. Our exam started yesterday. Guys, love is. So I still on the ranting, right? So I think I'm gonna be ranting on different things because I don't have a particular. I actually want to go on a break on lash. Yeah. Guys, I've been using this powder cause I started noticing some rashes on my face and My mom asked me to get it, that it helps, and I don't know if it's, I think it's working. I think this is okay. So yeah, guys, I have to just get used to calling you all lovies, because I think I do more of the typing of lovey than singing. But I'm in a hurry, I'm in a rush, actually rushing so badly. It was I'm running late. Okay, I've used one before, which is this one. Let me see, apply it because I love the smell, and I think that's okay. Let me just apply a little perfume oil to it, lest I forget. And yeah, guys, so I'm gonna see you when I see you next. Okay, so I'm actually planning on like doing some little things in my house, like changing my carpets, getting a shoe and bag rack, and my curtain, changing my curtain. What else? Yeah, just few things in the house. Yeah, I'm planning on doing those. Well, I'll get back to you all on that. So but for now, let's just head out to where I'm going to. Some little cash. Head of it. So what's up? Just coming back since morning. Don't know if I mentioned in the morning while I was talking to you all that there are things I want to like do in my house, right? So yeah, the furniture guy just left now, so I'm doing a shoe rack and a bag rack. So he said it will be delivered on Monday, finger crossed. Saturday or Sunday I should go get the curtain. I'm home, I'm exhausted, I need to take my bath and eat. I got moi and bread, yeah. So that's what I'll be having for dinner, and I'm going to like call it a night, and yeah. God, guys, we are finally here.
Mommy, smile now. Everything go jump on. Exactly. I'll treat. Second time being here, and I'm here with my cousins.
Like said, I know they which can person be.
The food was actually worth it. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Brother, your drink. This girl. Hey, brotherly. I want to ride on a horse. Let's go.
actually nice.
Sky morning. Yeah.
I don't know, maybe. Guys, I'm so scared to like ride on the horse. Wow. Wow. The last time we came here, we did not like come to the side. I am Princess. We were very scared to like get to this place. No, it's not monkey. What? This is the Vele.
See, I'm here. Oh, see Jagabano.
All of them they drink
I just see.
age of that tree. It is also a home to endangered birds, especially vultures. So vultures like to nest and breed on that particular tree. Because vultures don't like short trees, they like height. They are scavengers. They sight their food already there. So they like to stay on tall trees or fly high. Do you understand? The tree has medicinal value. When you cut off the back of the tree and sniff it, it's known for curing headaches.
Wow.
Yes, that is medicinal value.
Wow.
But that's not the only eki tree. You can see the other tree behind it.
Yes.
That's also an eki tree. And this tree over here, this is also an eki tree.
And it's this beautiful. See how the body is so.
Is God not wonderful?
Like the body, like I've seen it before. I watched it in all this strong water around on
Maybe hold me.
You know, too much at the